Hi everybody, James here with another video showing you guys how to fix the Samsung A20. If you're gonna use it to repair your phone, please watch the whole thing before you get started, otherwise you can mess up the phone. So, okay, let's get started. We're gonna be replacing the screen. The screen is messed up. We're gonna use the heat gun. So we can loosen up the adhesive that's holding the back. But first, before we do that, we have to remove the SIM card. Okay, and make sure you power the phone down if you can. Sometimes the touch might not be working, so if you can, don't worry about it. If you can, turn it off. Okay, apply the heat. Don't apply it in one spot. Move the heat gun all around the phone, like just like that. Okay. Don't go too deep. Stop right there and take a guitar pick and to finish the rest of the job. Okay. Like I said before, watch the whole video before you attempt the repair so you can see everything before you start, so don't mess up the phone yourself. Okay, try to go around it, and if you think the adhesive is getting harder, don't force it. You can apply more heat so you can loosen it up. Yeah, the back of the phone is not glass, it's a plastic, so you might be able to bend it a little bit. Okay, from the top, don't go too deep so you don't mess up the fingerprint cable. Apply a little bit of heat to finish it up. And now you can fire up the back, but you have to disconnect the cable first. Okay, once the cable is disconnected, you can put that aside. This is the part that I was telling you guys to be careful for, right here. So now we have to remove the screws. Okay. Remove all of them. You have to go in between the frames. You can use your nails to go in between them, just like that. Now you can put that aside also. Now we have the cables that we have to disconnect. Don't forget the order that they are in. You have the black and the orange. And this is the new screen. We're gonna be putting everything in. We have to transfer everything because we're not keeping the frame of the old one, and we have to make sure everything matches. That's different, but everything else should be the same. Okay, let's remove the parts so we can transfer them to the new screen. Okay, we have to peel up that, it's holding the battery, pressing it down. So we have to peel it off so we can release the battery. There you go. Okay, there you go. That's the motherboard. Just pay attention. Anything that you see in the old one that you don't see in the new one, we have to take it and put it on the new one. Okay, this is the vibrating motor that we have to transfer to the new screen. Just be careful, go underneath and pry it up. Okay, once you take it out, just put it into the new one the same way you just took it out. just put the old parts into the new screen, just like you see in the video. Okay, put the battery back in place. So put the motherboard. Just check to see if you left anything behind that need to be transferred over to the new screen. Okay, there you go. Now connect the cables again the same way it was, black first, then the orange. Make sure you connect the signal cable. If that's not connected, you won't be able to have any signal. Even when you put a SIM card, it's gonna say no service. So make sure that cable is connected. Okay, put the back frame and put back the screws also. So before we put the screws, we're gonna test the screen to make sure everything is working. There you go. That's a good sign. Okay, once we're done testing the screen, all you have to do is replace the screws. Okay, the screen is coming up. There you go. Okay, now you can power down the phone and put back the screws. Okay, don't forget to connect the cable for the fingerprint, otherwise you won't be able to use it. Just connect the fingerprint cable. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. God bless.